Hey guys, so we're at Saraland right now.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. It's kind of like a blog for me. So,
I fell
right,
in a hole.
Saraland. I said Saraland because of you.
I don't care. I fell in a hole and it hurt.
A ditch, you mean?
No, I fell in a hole, like a real hole. There was just one circle. There was a hole. I fell in it.
One circle.
Ow.
So we're gonna set off some fireworks.
My side hurts.
Oh,
My side hurts.
we just got done eating like
What is that?
The mushrooms. Those are oddly
were-
shaped.
Those were smaller than
You
I
didn't even see me all about the red, white, and blue. You didn't see that gentleman in the shirt?
Yeah.
That, I'm talking about her.
I don't know.
See, you're watching.
This is not helping.
They
This is
know what
this
we're
I don't
doing.
watch things.
It hurts right here. This-
They all have circles around the tree.
Look, you still not even hurt right here.
Like,
What is it?
I mean, it hurts right here, but when I do this,
Yeah?
like, it doesn't hurt it even more,
I'll take the
and it
key.
doesn't make it feel better.
It will be one way or another. Well, I'm thinking I
I
go
get
over that hill
this.
and play key with that's
That's
not
mine.
how
My feet getting wet.
We look exactly
You
alike.
should have worn tennis shoes.
Stop it with the face, man. You're like,
My feet get wet.
Oh,
mine!
so wet.
Shoes are getting wet.
What's that?
Mike, stop!
He's in a setting shop.
We ain't got no spare clothes. You
He's
know what? There's a
farting.
pair of pants in the back of the car.
You can do this.
He'll just take
He's
his
up his
underwear
leg.
off and throw him in the
One
bag.
foot.
He's not sitting down in the
I just had to. We're like in the middle of nowhere right now.
Which you had before.
It looks like it. Like all we can see is like tiny shelter houses with little benches.
Look,
Yeah, cars.
Did you throw them in
Yes.
the microwave?
and people.
No, but I
People.
dumped them in the soap dish.
Something happened here.
This guy
So what?
I worked at ET can.
Oh my gosh, that's not
On the camera, it looks like I'm wearing lip gloss.
Oh my God. Kentucky in there. I mean, old, like in his 60s.
It does.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right then.
But we just got done eating this. Did they just mow this crap? Looks like it to me.
Probably. Look at your shoes on.
I know they're soaked as crap.
You're a mess.
I miss No fair.
I'm big field. And then you pull it next to it.
I'm not that weird. Thanks.
Ow.
I do not laugh.
Nah.
I said that I told Lexi that you laugh weird. She's like, nice, you laugh weird too. And I was like, no, I do not. And
Ready? Right here. You want to do it right here? I was going to go over here where they can't see us.
Well, they're going to see it coming up in the air.
Yeah, but they can't figure out where it is.
They got golf carts, man.
Well, we got a fountain in each field.
we
Yeah,
are
we
not
need
allowed
to do
to.
it on flat. So we got to
We're not allowed to do this.
You said mine last weird. I said nice. And I said, you laugh weird too. And you said, thanks. And I said, you're welcome. That's not how it happened at all. You just like
I didn't lie. I said exactly what you said.
nah.
Uh-huh.
You said no, I don't. I'm proving a point here.
Oh.
Ow.
It's
I didn't. It'd be that.
Is that the big boom?
the big boom.
Here, girl.
What?
Ooh.
You got to light them on fire.
No, you don't. You
I
pull
know
them.
that.
Pull
I
'em.
think they're going to come.
Okay. I'm gonna put you guys against something. You pop yours first.
You pop yours
Like
first.
this?
That scared me. My turn, don't touch
Oh, it stinks. Your turn. Hallelujah. What the heck is this? Huh?
What? Okay. I'm saving these two.
I have one more. Very hallelujah!
You're not saving any of them?
Nope.
Look.
I have 4 of them. I can see it. Look about to bust. Oh God. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look.
Can you?
Restart that.